Well, welcome to is it day 4? Day 5, sorry. Kind of runs together now. It's our remodel of a 1979 Ideal camper trailer, and let's show you what we've done tonight. By the way, we're only spending a few hours on it every day, so it's not like we're out here working nonstop 8 hours a day. We still have full-time jobs. I mentioned that we've got water damage, and we've dug out more of that now. You'll see it's missing a 2x2 over there that we had to kind of go ahead and not really even dig out. It just kind of disintegrated. But you get back over here, and this 2x2 is in good shape. That 2x2 on the back looks like there might be some water damage, but actually it's good and solid at this point. We'll come back around and really strengthen this area up. This one looks, I don't know, we may end up having to take this one out. It's just not falling apart like some of the others. I'll see if I can grab one in a minute and show you how it falls apart. But by the time we get back to here, it's clear, and it's clear over there. Same thing with this one in the middle, though obviously it just kind of disintegrated right there. So we'll have to run 2x2s back up through here. We'll probably, I don't know what you call it, sandwich maybe, where you put one on one side and one on the other, and we'll strengthen all of this back up. The entire width of this is 7.5 or 7 foot 8 inches. So one 8 foot sheet of plywood, and the hole that I've cut out here is 3 foot. So it's a 3 by 7.5 sheet that should drop right in here. This side, yeah, we have some damage through here. This looks really bad, but actually it's solid. In the corner is solid. This one is solid. There's some damage, or you can see where the water got into the wood down here, but still it's in pretty good shape. So feel really, really good about that. And we'll take a day off tomorrow, but we'll come back and really get after it the next day. Some work going on over here. Pamela's been kind of working on filling in some of the chips from the sink. At this point, I think we're leaving the sink in. We may just end up painting it. Got to figure out whether or not this gas stove and oven works. And we haven't even touched in there, and it's fairly clean. So let's move into the bathroom. Hey, this is what it looks like from a shower head. But they've come back in and they've pulled out all of this shower wall. But what we found is that there's no damage at all behind here, at all. So that's really exciting. The frustrating part is they put this all the way down. And I know why they've done it now, because that helps to give strength in the back of this. So we'll see if we can do the same thing when we pull this out and replace it. I was a little frustrated as I was working, thinking this should just pull right out of here, and now it hits me why it goes all the way from the top all the way down. It's part of what gives this its strength. You look at that, and there's not much strength with this 2x2, but once you put a sheet of plywood or whatever you're putting on it, it really strengthens it up. Again, some areas where we're just trying to clean up the, what is that? Ceramic? Porcelain? Okay. So that's what we're working on now. Heater, we'll end up pulling the heater out as well. Got a different plan for heat and for air conditioning. This is the second load of junk we pulled out, and I mentioned how bad this is. I'll see if I can find a piece real quick. It falls apart when you touch it if there's damage on it. So that one's not too bad, but you get the idea. Still more stuff in the back of the pickup as well. So say hi. Hi. Okay, so there you go. It's our 19 79